Question number 2b. Solve any 4 of the following sub-questions. It carries 8 marks. Means any 4 question for 8 marks. Means each sub-question carries 2 marks. So for 2 marks question you have to use minimum 4 steps. Okay. So let us solve first sub-question. In the given figure, segment AC and segment BD intersect each other in point P. You can see the figure. Segment AC and segment BD intersect each other at point P. And AP upon CP equal to BP upon DP. These two sides and these two sides are in proportion. So we have to prove triangle ABP similar to triangle CDP. Followed? So students, as we know, there are 3 tests of similarity. First is AAA or AA test, which is completely related to corresponding angles. Second test, SSS test, related to all 3 corresponding sides. And third test is SAS, means 2 sides in proportion and angle included between them is congruent. Okay. So here in this question already these 2 sides are given in proportion. AP upon CP and BP upon DP, means these 2 sides are in proportion. Okay. This side and this side are in proportion. Okay. And the angle included between them means angle APB, this angle, congruent to angle CPD, this vertically opposite angle. So we got 2 sides proportion and angle included between them is congruent. So these 2 triangles we can show similar by SAS test. Okay. So here we have to write the solution. Which triangles given? Triangle ABP and triangle CDP. So we have to write that name only. So let us start proof. In triangle ABP and triangle CDP, first we will write the given sides in proportion. AP upon CP equal to BP upon DP. Reason, write, given. It is already given in the question. And third part is vertically opposite angles. Angle APB congruent to angle CPD. Reason, vertically opposite angles. Therefore, triangle ABP similar to triangle CDP by SAS test of similarity. Okay. So while solving these proving type questions, students try to draw figure and write proof. And as possible as maximum steps you have to give reason, because this reason also carries marks. Okay. Followed how we prove these 2 triangles similar. Now next sub question. Find the diagonal of a rectangle whose length is 35 cm and breadth is 12 cm. Okay, here I drawn one figure of rectangle. This is not given in question. Only this much question is given. So I drawn the figure of rectangle A, B, C, D. And the length of this rectangle is 35 centimeter. So this BC is the length, which is 35 centimeter. And AB is the breadth, which is 12 centimeters. Okay, so first we will write this in solution. Let quadrilateral A, B, C, D be the rectangle. BC equal to 35 centimeter, AB equal to 12 centimeter. And diagonal is AC, that we have to find out. AC is equal to question mark. Okay. So as we know that each angle of rectangle is 90 degree. So triangle ABC we got right angle triangle. So in this right angle triangle, sides making right angle is given and we have to find out this hypotenuse. So we can apply here Pythagoras theorem. So write down here, in triangle ABC, angle ABC is equal to 90 degree. Reason, write down each angle of rectangle is 90 degree. Each angle of rectangle is 90 degree. So apply Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse square equal to, so AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. Right reason, Pythagoras theorem. Now substitute values. AC square is equal to, AB is 12, BC is 35. 12 square plus 35 square. Therefore, AC square is equal to 12 square is 144 and 35 square is 1225. Add this, 4 plus 5, 9, 4 plus 2, 6, 1 plus 2, 3 and this 1. 1369. Therefore, AC is equal to square root 1369. So, square root of 1369 is 37. So, AC is equal to 37. But in question, you can see the name of rectangle is not given. Name of diagonal is not given. The question is find the diagonal of a rectangle. So we have to write the answer according to that. Therefore, the length of diagonal of a rectangle is 37 centimeter. So this way we have to write the answer in